lady is there in the middle of the road, and they're here to give her this help for the bread, butter, milk, and coffee. So yeah, cross the road. By the way, this is in Auckland. That's a reality. Every now and then people need help, so we'll do what we can by God's grace, because we need help before when we're out of money, financially, stress, problem, anxiety, and who knows, this might relieve his problem a little bit. So, she might be surprised with this. So maybe we'll just call her attention. She's on the middle of the road. Don't want to give her any change or money, just to make sure they consume this food. It could be the right time. Hey mate, it's for you. This one. Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Keita.
Yeah, Kate.
Sorry. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
It's just a bread,
Thank
the
you.
milk, and coffee. Yeah, I know.
Thank
You
so
caught
much.
my attention. Every now and then people need some help. I don't know the situation.
Well,
I
I'm
don't
literally
judge you.
struggling with food,
Yeah.
and financial stuff as well, and
Oh,
this
okay.
helps. Like this is
Yeah.
why I come out.
Mm.
Not even just for just food as well, for power
Yeah, yeah.
and things like that. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm recording this, so if I'll post on YouTube, we can get more help financially to help the others also. Yeah, I don't know how, what's your situation. I've been there, we've all been there, and sometimes the people judge us, and yeah,
This is amazing.
God bless you.
God bless you
Yeah,
too,
my name is
brother.
JC. Okay,
It's lovely to meet you, brother.
okay, you too.
I hope
Okay,
you
God
have-
bless.
God bless you too, and I hope you keep up, your humble heart.
Okay,
Because
yeah.
A lot of people that go amiss because people get too concerned for their situation and don't
Yeah.
want to intervene. But that's what people need, like people like us.
Yeah,
You know, even sometimes I need to step up myself as well.
Yeah.
In my position in life where I'm at. Thank you so much.
no worries.
I really
Okay.
appreciate your help and support. And
Hey, you
thank
too.
for
Okay,
taking
take
time.
care. You have a
Thank you.
family?
I do. My family's at home. I've
Maybe
got
the
two
kids didn't eat yet. Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
Okay, no
I
worries.
really needed some bread and milk, my brother.
Okay, cheers.
And have a good day.
Okay, you too. Bye-bye. Okay, take care, ha.
You too.
You're crossing the road
Yes.
on the traffic. Okay,
Yes, I
cheers.
am. Thank you, brother.
Bye-bye. Okay, there you have it. We've seen quite a struggle just for a change. And yeah, can't blame her. Everyone is struggling now with the food, rent, and everything else. So we'll do what we can. It's just it's not much, but we will try our best by God's grace. Hopefully you like this video and you can subscribe and like it, so we can help more other needy people randomly. if we can frequently, yeah. Okay. And I think that's it. We'll continue for help everyone on my next video. Okay, cheers. See you. Bye bye.